Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Wondfo Fibrinogen Reagent Kit Clotting. This is for Wondfo Optical Coagulation Analyzer use. You can see the brand name over here, Wondfo, and product name Fibrinogen Reagent Kit Clotting Reagent Kit. You can see this is compatible with Wondfo Optical Coagulation Analyzer, and over here you can find the content details, what are the content present inside the kit. It comes up with 24 individual pack test strips, an ID chip, and an instruction manual for use. And the reference number of the product is W482. And you can see that this product has a standard 2 years of an shelf life. This is C certified IVD product. I'm just going to show you the side view of the pack. This is the side view. Here also you can find the brand name Wondfo. Over here you can find the manufacturing details. These are the details present in reagent kit box. Now I am just going to unbox this for your reference. You can see that at the top you can see the instruction manual for Wondfo Fibrinogen Reagent Kit. It comes up with a catalog number W482. These are the information present in it. You can see test principle, what is the principle of the test, and what is the procedure, and what are the precautions, and what are the material required. All the information were being there in instruction for use manual. I'm just going to place this aside. After that, you can see the ID chip for Wondfo Fibrinogen Reagent Kit. This is the ID chip. This will be used in the Wondfo coagulation analyzer for calibration. I am just going to place this aside. After that you can see the test strips. This is the test strips. You can see the brand name over here and temperature control 2 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. This is a C certified IVD product, and you can see the manufacturing details over here. These are the details present in test strips. And over here you can find the reference number W482, and shelf life is 18 months. To summarize it, Wondfo Fibrinogen Reagent Kit consists of one instruction manual, one test chip, and 24 number of test cartridges. These are the present inside the reagent kit. Thank you.
First, power on and turn on the switch. Prompt: please insert the strip. Then take out the test card from the aluminum foil bag. Insert the test card and it will start preheating for 25 seconds. Use the pipette to add 20 microliter blood sample. Note: shake well before using. Add the sample according to the green indicator light. And now we can wait patiently for the displaying of the test result. At last, take out the used test card.